Okay, we're going to multiply exponential expressions. First, let's simplify each of those terms that are in parentheses by distributing the exponent on the outside. So that'll become 5 squared, x squared squared, y squared. And for the next one, we're going to have 2 to the negative 2, x squared to the negative 2, and y to the negative 4th to the negative 2. All right, so go through again. 5 squared, we get 25. X squared squared, we're going to multiply those exponents, so we get x to the 4th. Then we have y squared. And 2 to the negative 2, that's going to be 1 over 2 squared, so 1/4. And x squared to the negative 2, we multiply those exponents, so we get x to the negative 4. And again, we're on that y, we're going to multiply those exponents, so negative 4 times negative 2, we get a positive 8. Okay, we've got constants, 25 and 1/4, so we can multiply those together, and that'll give us 25 fourths. And now let's multiply the x terms together. So we have x, and when we multiply, we're going to add the exponent. So we have 4 plus the negative 4. And then finally we've got the y's. So we get y, adding those exponents, 2 plus 8. Okay, so we've got 25 fourths. We can't do any simplifying there. But then we've got x to the 4 plus a negative 4 is 0. And then y to the 2 plus 8, we add those together, we get 10. So one more little thing to do here. We've got 25 over 4. That x to the 0, well, that's equal to just a 1. So we don't need to include that. And then we've got y to the 10. So we get 25 y to the 10 over 4.